to Jing TV. Today we are going to go over how to open and close in Tai Chi. Now a typical Tai Chi beginner will do something like this. Notice the extreme tilting of the body and the stiff leg. But you don't want to do that. What you want to do is keep your hips rolled under, your knees slightly bent, and your ankles relaxed. So when you do step, you will raise your knee ever so gently, keeping your ankle relaxed. Step to shoulder width with your ankle relaxed, and then set that heel down so you just glide over a little tiny bit. And when you close, you'll do the same thing. Shift your weight, lift your knee ever so gently. Bring your knee in, and then set it all down. Hips rolled in, ankles relaxed, beautiful, lovely gliding. Thank you very much.